what do your eyes say about your health? That is a very, very good question. I'm sure you've seen it when a dog is sick, right? You can look at their eyes and you can see they're blurred, or they're actually out of control. They look the other way, they're blurred and not be able to see clearly, okay? Likewise with a human being, when somebody's got the flu or some virus or some pain impediment in the back or pain in the back, or you'll find that the eyes will indicate the actual conception as your actual procession of what's actually happening, okay? So that process of analysis is called the science of iridology, okay? Now that came about 300 odd years ago, and it's been improving and improving and improving ever since, right? So iridology actually means the science of reading the iris of the eyes. Now, what does that mean? So if you look at your eyes, human eyes, you'll see there's a pupil, which is the smallest part where you see true, that's your vision. You'll see the pupil. Around the pupil, you'll see a blue or green or black or brown color, or mix, or hazel, and that is the iris. And then you've got this mixture of two. The pupil and the iris sit in the sclera, which is the whites of the eyes. So there's two sciences that are involved. The science of iridology, which is the iris reading, and the science of sclerology, which is the sclera, reading of the sclera. Now, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, press the button below, and you can ask for your booklets like this one here. I'm just going to show you. So this one here, and for example, this one, benefits of having an iridology consultation. Now, when you actually get this booklet, there's about 12 pages of it. It gives you some really good indication about what you can indicate, what you can find by photographing the iris and reading it true. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example of that. This is a blue eye, right? So if most people are untrained about this, they wouldn't quite pick up what it is. So that would be seen to be a blue eye, but it's actually not blue at all. It's actually more grey than blue. Now, you'll see some quite interesting indicators. For example, a pupil here is actually not circular, right? Which means that person is very nervous. It's not circular, and so it should be circular. And it's also the radius here is smaller than the radius here, which means there's more pressure on this side, and that would be, in this case, that would be the actual thyroid. The thyroid would be indicating here. So the thyroid is not working properly, okay? In addition to that, you see a dark ring in here, which usually indicates diabetes, a dark ring right there, okay? And then around that, you'll see like a gray ring here. And that means that the ascending colon, the transverse colon, and the small intestine are clogged up with toxicity, okay? You can see very clearly it's what indented right there. And then next to it, you'll see the blue. But the blue is actually not blue, it's actually more grey, which means that particular person has got a highly acidic body. Now, the human body is designed to be 80% alkaline, 20% acidic, right? That's all, right? It's got to be that perfect. So in that case, the body is about 60% alkaline and 40% acidic, which means that the body's out of condition, right? Now, on the edge of this, you see little bubbles here, right, around the blue eye like that. These little bubbles are indicative that the lymphatic system is blocked, or is blocking, which means that it can create congestion in the body, and which means lack of energy, lack of proper sleep, insomnia, back pain, and so on and so on, right? And then you look at this part here, which is the sclera. You'll see a scapulary, what I call capillary blockage here. You can see there, which is quite red, and also you can see here it's red and grey here. So In that eye alone, there's about 30 indicators, that many, right? So it's an excellent science to find out exactly what's happening in the body. Now, whilst you are looking at this video, when you go to our channel, Planet Wellness, you can get this booklet, What Your Eyes Can Reveal About Your Health, right? That took about 3 months to write. It's a very comprehensive little booklet. And then you can, once you read that and you've understood the power of it, you can then give us a call, and you can then give us a call, and you can give us a call, consult with us for about 15-20 minutes. And whilst you're also here, you can look at this QR code, scan that, and you'll get more information about what we're about, right? Now, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button, type in your impression, your report, and what you think about the channel. And then we look forward to hearing from you and having a consultation with you. And then we can assist you with your health.